iti misremo mo nka se Haruna no mo nko na o mo so a wo mo so o mbeti esibo so na o mo ba be duru wi a na o mabusa Ghana fo a mo ho temo ebi no ho tewo mo na me ye clear say ye ne a ya adwene mu ye pe enhunumu ahu a ye te ne ma ase no nye mre wei eni ebe deceive obi abedede obi na no papa bi NDC ni bi obetena bi ka mu na Ghana aboto na Buzia eteki over. Yes. And okobo Richard Nixon no so ye US American. Enti Harold Wilson ono na ye kire Buzia de e wo UK.
Okay.
Na Buzia na ye class prefect sa na meka no. Enti oni no wa produce 6 presidents Harold Wilson. Emu do ye kwa chiri said ye be ye nie mame no mienu nyine nya ni da so eno ani confusion eno om deba eno om si o ye ba power na we yakofa form na awurade titamo behwa ma NDC aba power de a ene obi anhwe no onkope ne defo warrant no onsan ento hom fentwen NDC ba de a mudi bu free agents no be ko hefa we dia edi bone no de betu no upo kraman ye kunu anu ato ne di bone papa ye so akraman so se free education ye di eti duru bebi anu agya na pabna wo kan IMF ede ma me na ya de na nsan bi be ka kire Ghana for ye beto aba no around 2020 me ka kire wo se ye beto aba na wie but we should be mindful of the economic recovery ye hwe di ye aban mo me enkoto no biara ye to wi a ye be hie nipa ye do on be kekere oman ami a recover very quick.
Okay.
Me ka kire mo ye be hie nim de ye de move forward ba bia ye duro no ihian emema pa to mo ka say MPP for wo men I say yes MPP for wo ye be hie Ghana for mo a ni akoye nim na ya na NDC abeda dai. One, the biggest ever debt forgiveness in the history of this country appeared 2 times. J.A. 4 times, and a President Akufo-Addo time. And the first one, na Buzia time, to force Anko Kano. No one so all no kose eka. Semre Buzia professor, ye no Harold Wilson, on a prime minister, Britain. Into obeto Ghana kano. Na Ghana akaye foreign reserve of 5 days.
Sponsored the woman who had put in Theo extortion 1, who has put in robbery 2, who has put in Sabe using the national security for personal gains, which is a big offense. They can get the president kicked out of a presidency. You gave that girl tools so that you can bring her wife somewhere and they can marry in Coventry. You thought you were doing that so that NDC UK will say, oh, Marie, let me tell you, NDC UK only used you. Today, let me tell you the truth. The same thing you feel like you have been used, they used you. And I warned you, Marie. I warned you, say, sad dancing crania, wecha. Now, sorry, I wouldn't to my boy, now, Tia Ghana phone call, I say, young Quabontini, young Coquam, because Mahaman, we know, Marie, and ye. Now, Brebeba. Make us a Marie, and ye, now, Brebeba. And that dear, why bet now, okay. Said the who free MPP mean to baby MPP. I'm sorry, they say, if you don't go here, women organize alcohol. Utie. Uncha we touch them to tone ye. Na uwi ya waka chire say ya maudi adebeka samari ya nyane sa. Nene
Madia then a free SHS buy no. Na nkura na run shift because omunya baby na na mo betena ho kan no. Ghana for maburu no. Mamu ma nya NDC MPP keke o. Mo ma yenhwe omu mienu yenfo omu nto asenua so. Wahu. Na yenwe omu ne yenhwe de ye ma Ghana. Enya wo te media minim NDC ni bi oba menya bi adinti no chinchina achi a NDC dabi ye mo brasa we anti Ghana nyina abo na wo fa Ghana sika nyina wo de betena hen why na wo ko dis kan kora de a kire no wo de be what has ye mo brasa wo dwen wo ho na wo ho na wadwen no watie si o man mu ni nyina se se minya sika Ghana sika nyina bedi mi ho na wa anhwene se obesto stay ni Ghana wo sika no den nothing nothing. Endi omo baaye betwitwa ye ntro bebre papa yi baaye wode nhihye ya ba enti sesi ano kofo time wode GHS junior high ediba free no 2016 2017 ye benya from 2000 no 2017 ye benya senior high so free. And this MPP na to aso abepim ka sa brain ka do university so I tell you. But said na me dey to Rwanda ho no omo hu say party ba ko ba omo ye NDC omo be say man no ba ko ba omo be ye ni ye omo ye MPP enti Pokigami lead ba it say na do lead abai no omo se dabi ye nyina ye mfa adwene enkoto aba na ye nyai man ni hye sa political party we nsa no omo de omudi bikura na omudi mane so oman ni nyina so na ya no mo de omudi bekọ akototo nan ama maba wa omoto so e wo Dubai sebi omudi be roll draws entino mamu ma emfa omuma biem and the country decided no omokoto aba papa nyansa eni daache ni anisu ohunu ewomu ema Kagame party ena omo se ye the minor mamu consistency now every businessman obi abeka chiro say obeso ye in like auto incumbent so na incumbent can say ade ye nya ye kro mo twantro say aye nti ya hwe ni ekoya ye ho be kire na omo so yire omo in as much as me, I don't endorse that you know sa na omo tie obe ye ne den de so wa no no o se chi nya ofe kro ahwa na otafre na ye ma Ghana entimi enkore ni the time say Ghana youth must rise for patriotism. Ye hwe nipa wo ye buama fo o mo man nu no mum ye support o na yinya amoaman fo no now okuje to abrakwa wo kasa young boy through politics what's our men now I pray say justice will work on this video. Now, okujeta abrakwa court A7 in a video what to atwene butu no. Ewa ya mamre ni amanie mu no. So hene esuma no de ne poma suma ba na udidi chia me atema. E ti said o hene ni gina wanim na udidi na atem. E ti say fear so snega ye de ne court. Na say court no contempt because we are disrespecting court. This is the highest form of disrespect one can render onto the court of Ghana, Supreme Court of Ghana. Say ye this someone abrel no aje no butu atim chacha mitietia so. Enti mumma mranya adwuma na monchi okuje to abra kwa mfantum. Sa de na ekoso wo Ghana na ekoso politician mu dia emra twem no ma omabubu mra na pre. Afia so asnega so ye nipa. Free me akrante. Empanyifo sese wo hu nkusika tua eni efiri wa akrante nam. Now was our time de akwakoman Ghana youth. You see, enkokora ni de Ghana mabunu omabo mobre wi. In fact, me ne wo mienu na Ghana edu amaye na ye mamu na omo ye Ghana dachi. What legacy are you living behind? Dia na wo di ja oba se Ghana ni de also wo de boa ama Ghana ni. Now, yaba MPP aba wow jitum sense ya papa yi and ba ye wode atodwa obanko school free ye sha ase emanfo e kaseti anya ye na ye kan ade bia broni free bibi tutin problem wo sekura no se bia akura sen fifi abo se janity paye ni ho peja na ye ne ya enti ye share free asase no it was just clear and reasonable say or how ni twitwi kakra bebam because ye nya bi da first of its kind and ye sha ase now former president so catch say one the school dan we see a school Ghana krama Ghana yenya baby kra antena and yet is how there was school dan na yenya dan na bro